From raw egg to perfect egg in 25 minutes, I'm going to show you how. Okay, we're going to cut into it to show you. We got you the perfect egg in the steamer. There you go. Perfect egg for you guys. Stop babysitting your eggs. I don't have to, and neither do you. And I'm going to show you how that quick. No stirring, no watching, no stress. If you have ever ruined a batch of boiled eggs, I just found the easiest hack to make the perfect boiled eggs. I don't know why I didn't think of this sooner. From 1995, when I bought these Black & Decker steamers, they have sat in the cabinets more than they have sat on the counter. But that ends today. I have a problem when you go to peel the eggs and like half the egg shell gets stuck to it, and then you ruin the egg or half the egg is gone. Well, I finally figured out how to do that. If you're on the keto, carnivore, ketovore diet, you know how important eggs are in our lives. The reason I wanted to make a boiled egg is because I wanted to do a carnivore pudding, and that will be my next video that's coming out, so look for that soon. So here's my first trick. What you need to do is you need to make sure that the steamer is completely heated up to a boil before you put the eggs in. Leave the eggs out on the counter. Now, set the timer to 25 minutes and go take your shower. Go make your phone call. You're done for now. Tell you the next important step. The ice bath is going to cure your problem for having the egg disintegrate when you're trying to peel it. Leave it in the ice bath. I would say minimum 5 minutes. Now be careful here because it's hot when you pick them up, so you can see me trying to see, should I pick it up with my hand, Karen? And then I decided against it. Use the hot pad. Now don't think we're done right here. I'm going to show you the next important step of how to make them easy to peel. Isn't that what we all want? An easy peel egg? Here you go. This is the tip. You see me slapping here on the counter and crushing the egg around. That's so you get it in as fine as little cracks as you can. And then you can see you can peel it off just like that. If you're looking for quick, easy, delicious, you're in the right place. And just if you stayed this long to the end of the video, I'm going to give you my final tip, and all these other people that jumped off aren't going to get. If you leave it in the full 20 minutes of the ice bath, this is when you're going to see it peel just like that. Okay, we're going to cut into it to show you. We got you the perfect egg in the steamer. There you go. Perfect egg for you guys. I didn't buy organic egg this time, and you can tell they're not as orange. But here you go. This is the egg, the perfect egg. So simple. Thanks for sticking around, guys. I'm Karen. I'll see you on my next video. Take care.